WSR5000R. Operation Guide. First, insert the key, turn the key to unlock, and then start the machine. Step 2. Rotate the main power switch to start the machine. Step 3. Rotate the emergency stop switch to open. Step 4. Plug in the wired remote control, rotate the power switch to on, and then adjust the speed using the speed knob. Step 5. Position the machine's vacuum suction cup flatly close to the glass and activate the suction. Step 6. After pressing the switch to turn on the vacuum, you will hear a buzzer sound. Step 7. Slide up to open the manual vacuum valves for the blue and red circuits. Once activated, ensure that the vacuum pressure gauge points to the green zone, indicating sufficient vacuum pressure to lift the glass. If the gauge enters the red zone, check for potential problems. Step 8. Open both side outriggers to stabilize the machine before lifting the glass. Maximum lifting capacity is 500 kilograms. Maximum working height is 4.6 meters. Extending distance is 600 millimeters. (360 degrees of rotation of the suction cup frame). Suction cup frame side shifting 50 mm left and right. Suction cup frame tilting is 135 degrees. Side turning 90 degrees on both sides manually. Equipped with onboard control, control handle, horn, emergency stop button, power meter, overload sensor, vacuum alarm light, digital vacuum pressure gauge, mechanical vacuum pressure gauge, driving warning light, air filter, lifting boom.